In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GitHub to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have your GitHub account linked and ready to use inside ChatGPT, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start inside the ChatGPT interface. Look to the bottom left corner and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu where you'll select Settings. Think of Settings as your central hub for account controls and integrations. So anytime you need to adjust connections, this is where you'll come back. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Apps. Open that, and you'll see options to explore available integrations. Click Explore Apps, or choose. Add More if that's the button you see. Both lead you to the same place, a catalog of apps you can connect to ChatGPT. At the top, there's a search field. Type GitHub into that search bar to quickly locate the official GitHub app. When the GitHub app appears, click it to open its details, then press Connect. At this point, just follow the on-screen instructions. You may be prompted to sign in to your GitHub account if you aren't already, and you'll likely see a permissions screen. Take a moment to review what access is being requested and confirm if you're comfortable. If you're part of an organization, you might see options related to which organization to authorize, or you may need approval from an admin. Simply proceed with the prompts you're given until you reach confirmation. Once authorization is complete, you'll be taken back to ChatGPT and should see that GitHub now shows as connected. That's it. The connection is live and ready to use whenever an app or workflow needs it. If you don't see the Apps section in Settings, it may be a feature your account doesn't have yet, or you might need to refresh your session and try again. If the GitHub app doesn't appear in search, double-check your spelling and make sure you're browsing the official app catalog. If you accidentally authorize the wrong GitHub account, sign out of GitHub in your browser, then return to ChatGPT and repeat the connect process so you can link the correct one. At any time, you can return to Settings, open Apps, and manage or disconnect the GitHub integration if your needs change. Keep an eye on any permission updates GitHub requests in the future, and only grant access you're comfortable with. With that, your GitHub connection to ChatGPT is fully set up and ready to go.